Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training, and here we're going to look at a family in metric. Had a question about metric units and cut lengths and widths and all that. So what I got here in this view is a metric family of this plank or precast hollow core. Kind of like this cross section. I used to work at this place called Span Creek. This is kind of one of my favorite cross sections, although you can use any cross section you want. Well, this is one of my favorite ones. So in this exercise and video, we're going to use this. And that's my project file. So this is all metric here. So what we got here is what I did was if I go into this view, let's just tab these views. This is basically the cross section, a linked AutoCAD cross section or any kind of file. And then you go ahead and just do an extruded. So all this is basically an extrusion that sweeps. Well, basically this is a sweep. Yeah, it has to be a sweep because the most important thing here is if we go into our reference level here, this has to be a structural framing family. So here, in metric, now you got to look at this as very hard cut metric because it's hard because it's more or less it was a U.S. family and it's converted to from English from imperial to metric. So this might be 1500. These might be three meters, but they're hard if you know what I mean. Hard is the equivalent metric conversion. So here, if I go into another view here, this might be 4 feet. Right, like his would be 1200. In the U.S. it would be 4 feet, and here would be 610, 2 feet. And then we have our void cut. So now let's go and look at this in a project. So I'm gonna go and insert this in. I probably should have dropped these guys out. Well, let's do something a little different here. So this is a project file right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert our plank or precast family into this file. So I'm going to go load into project. I want to override because I had some in here already. So then let's just tab these views. And let's go in here and see what we can do here. Put my project browser here. And let's go look at our north elevation. And then let's go look at our level 1. So let's look at let's just go here and do a floor plan level 1. Let's just draw some walls here. I don't have many structural metric things going on, but I'm getting a lot of people wanting to do stuff in metric. So I do know metric, but I live in the U.S. and I work every day, so. But that's how it is. But yeah, I can do metric for if needed be. So sorry here, guys. I think I got a B arrow somewhere near. Wall structural. I'm gonna just go and place a wall here. Here. I don't know why this is doing this like this for me. And here. And there. Let's just look at this in our 3D view. This 3D view. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do like a beam system, or I'm gonna place some of these planks here. So we go to level 1 here. And let's just go, just beam system here with this guy. So I'm gonna do the sketch. I'm gonna do properties here, and I'm gonna have to always select Yeah, I think that was the one, the beam type is, yep, that's it. Or do I have anything? Yeah, there's plenty here. So, but I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna just take a rectangle, say from here to across here. And I'm gonna change this span here. This way. And then we've got to make sure we got our spacing. So the spacing here is 1800. I think we want to make that 4. Yep, from center to center. No, we want to make that, so here we go with my metric now, 1200. Let's see what happens. No. Let's see what happens when I go 1200 here. Is that 4 feet? We're going to find out. Okay, there you go. So I'll go to my 3D view here. Oh, on 3D view. And there's my plank. Now what happens here is I can go now and select this guy. They all seem to fit in. Let me see. That's odd. Okay, so now here on the end, it's not fitting. So what you would do here, you would do a cut piece maybe. So I would cut this back, make this a, make them about 600 for now. Okay, and then you don't want to really go below 2 feet. So, you know, that's basically how you would do this, and then, or you might want to change the size or something else here, but you want to kind of fit that in. But I just wanted to show you this. Now, I hope this helps. Now, I have videos on how you actually make these families. But here, like this one, I can select this one here, and I'll change this to, actually, I should just change this to 800 or 900. That would be 3 feet. Then my cut width here. Now, it took a little doing to make these families because, yes, it's hard to get metric families in the U.S., but I think I made this one. I have a few somewhere, so I'm going to just do this again here. I'll make this 300 a foot in the U.S. We'll make it 2. So this is working pretty good. So hey guys, hey young man, thanks for watching my videos. Hope this helps. And anybody watching for the first time, please subscribe. You'll see me make videos like this all the time. Everybody be safe. And thank you again. I'll make that 100 mil. See what happened. Oh, that didn't change, huh? Oh, I have to unpin that. Yep. And now I should change to whatever I want. Let's say, go back up to say 300. It's already at 300. Let's go back to, let's say 500. Okay, that would be a good cut to it. No, I don't think so. They don't like that kind of cut. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Everybody be safe. Please subscribe. Be safe. Bye.